Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking, for the MOSFET M1 shown in the figure, assume VDD is equal to 2 voltage, W over L is equal to 2, mu n COX is equal to 100 microamperes per volt square, and V threshold is equal to 0.5 voltage. The value of V in volts for which M1 switches from saturation region to triode region. Okay, here the question is asking for the V in voltage, where the M1, the MOSFET switches from saturation region to triode region. Triode region is nothing but linear region. Now we have to know which V input is going to change this MOSFET from saturation to linear region. Now let's look at the diagram. Here we have MOSFET. This is separated because we have insulated gate. So this is separated from the gate to gate and channel. And this is drain resistant, and this is source, and this is V output. Okay. Now let's go ahead and find, first of all we have to know this is a saturation. They have mentioned the one we are having right now, it's saturation. So M1 is in saturation. That's what we know right now. M1 is in saturation. So in saturation region, the drain current equation is given by Kn VGS minus V threshold square. This Kn is nothing but mu n times COX divided by 2 times W over L. Okay, and then this one remains the same, VGS minus V threshold square. Now let's go ahead and plug the values. We have mu n that's provided right here, mu n COX all together provided like this. So we have 100 and it's micro, so micro means 10 to the power of minus 6, and then divided by 2, and then W over L is given right here, that's 2, so multiply by 2, and then VGS minus V threshold, VGS minus V threshold square. Okay, now this VGS minus V threshold is nothing but this V output, or in other words we can say VDS. So let's go ahead and equate that one. VGS minus V threshold is equal to VO, which is equal to VDS. Okay, now instead of writing like this, we can write in terms of VO. So let's go ahead and write this one in terms of that. And here also this 2 cancels. We are only left with 100 times 10 to the power of minus 6. Instead of VGS minus V threshold, I replace that one with VO. Okay, because VGS minus V threshold is equal to VO. So VO square. Now we have to find out what is this VO is. In order to find this one, we can apply KVL in the outer loop. If we apply KVL in the outer loop, this VDD must be equal to ID drain current times the drain resistance RD plus VO. Okay, now VDD is given in the question, that's 2 voltage, so this is 2, and ID, do we know ID? ID is, okay, let's see whether we have ID. Oh, we have the equation for ID right here. Okay, ID is equal to 100 times 10 to the power of minus 6 times VO square. 100 times 10 to the power of minus 6 VO square, and RD is this resistance 10 kilo ohm. So 10 kilo ohm, 10 times 10 to the power of 3. Okay, 10 times 10 to the power of 3, and then we have V output. And if you solve for VO from this one, let's simplify this one. Let's simplify and see what we get. So this is going to be what, if you multiply these two, this is going to be 10 to the power of minus 3 times 100, 10 to the power of minus 3 times 100, 10 to the power of minus 1. Finally, when you simplify, you will get something like this, VO, and also this 10 and 10 to the power of minus 1 cancel. So all the zeros and everything cancel. So we are only left with VO square. VO square plus V naught minus V2 is equal to 0. So from this one, if you solve for VO, you will get 1. Now here we are interested. We calculated everything, right? We calculated this VO, actually VDS. This is going to help us to look at the region where the saturation regions change into triode region, because in order to change from saturation to triode region, this condition must be satisfied. VGS minus V threshold should be greater than VDS, and we know that VO is equal to VDS, right? And we found out VO from the case here, applying KVL. Now VDS is what? 1. We found out that's 1, right? So 1 should be greater than, V threshold is provided in the question, that's 0.5. So VGS minus, VGS is nothing but V input. Okay, so instead of VGS we can also write it as V input. V input, and then V threshold is 0.5, that's given in the question. And if you rearrange this one, V input is going to be what? Should be greater than, if you bring this 0.5 to the other side, it's going to be plus 0.5. 1 plus 0.5, 1.5 voltage. So V input should be greater than 1.5 to go to linear region. To go to linear region. So V input has to be greater than 1.5 to, for M1, for this MOSFET to switch from saturation region to triode region, or we can say linear region. And that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.